If you're interested to earn your very first $100 trading online starting today, then keep watching. This video is made just for you. Hey guys, welcome again to another live trading session with me and Market Potentials, the only YouTube channel out there that shows you live trading as it happens and teaches you how you can do the exact same thing with a the step-by-step kind of direction. All right. So guys, in this afternoon, like I said, today is the 12th of May. As you can see, it's a live timestamp, just about 10 minutes to 2 p.m. It's past lunchtime. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be trading the Australian dollar, the US dollar Forex pair in a binary option trade. Now, you guys are familiar with Forex pair. I'm sure you've heard of it. So basically, a Forex pair is always a pair of currency. In this case, the Australian dollar and the US dollar. The only difference is I'm going to be trading it with binary option. All right. So the first thing I would like you guys to do, if you want to do what I'm going to be doing, is get access to the free trading software that I use. It's a platform. It's called IQ Option. The link sign up is down below. So go ahead and click that if you'd like complete access to what I'm doing as well. And once you've done the quick verification, the sign up process, the email address, providing your driving license or government ID, because like I said, this is a regulated and approved trading platform. So, obviously they need to verify who's using it before you get access to it. So once you've got all of that formalities out of the way, this is exactly what you see. Okay, I'm not doing anything else that's different. This is exactly what you see. This is exactly the same access to the platform that you would have. So the first thing I would like you guys to do is just go ahead and click on the Bollinger Bands. All right, so let's just do that first and I'll talk to you guys about it in a bit. Next thing is the MACD. I have that now. Okay, sorry. So let's go to the popular MACD, otherwise known as the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Again, just click Apply. Don't have to change any of the numbers that you see there. And the third one is the RSI, or the Relative Strength Indicator. Again, just click Apply. Don't mess around with the numbers there. Now, in today's first trade, I'm going to be trading with just $50, guys. I'm hoping to make 2 trades, and I can show you exactly how you can make your first $100 in profit online today. All right. Now, now that you see all of these indicators here and you're wondering, wow, it just got a whole lot more complicated. Seriously, guys, take a chill pill. I'm literally going to show you what is it that you're looking for and the information you need to do a trade. Now, in binary option trade, your success as a trader depends on forecasting the direction of the trade between this white line to the red line here. And all you got to do is either select higher or lower after you select an amount that you want to invest in, and just click on this button here. All right. So basically, like I said, you're forecasting the direction of the trade between this line to this line. This is the purchase deadline. This is the expiration line. And the time interval is exactly 30 seconds. So it's 154, 30 seconds here, and 155 here. So as you can see, 30 seconds. That's all you're really doing. All right. So in today's case, literally, I'm looking to see an opportunity if it does present itself. So I've just gone ahead and put my first $50 in, guys, as my trade today afternoon. So that's $50 in. I've selected lower, and you can see this red line that's drawn here. Now, as long as my trade ends up being below the red line, I would stand to pocket $37.50. At the moment, it looks very iffy. Let's see, I've still got another 5 seconds to run to see if it's going to hit my way or not. And I think it did. So there you go. That's ka-ching. That's $37.50. All right, that's in profit. Again, that was 75% ROI of my first $50 that I put in to trade this afternoon. So guys, I promised you, I've literally been showing you how to earn your first $100. And I have just made $37.50 off my first trade. So all I'm really going to be doing is I'm going to be reinvesting this profit into my next trade. So as you can see, I'll just be changing this to $87.50, and that's it. So $87.50. So I've taken my first $50 that I've put aside to trade today. I've put in the profit that I made earlier from the first trade, $37.50. The new amount, $87.50. Now, guys, The indicators that I use, like I said, which I set up earlier, the Bollinger Bands, they provide an upper and a lower band of trade. Now, guys, if you like what I'm telling you and you're interested to earn, a couple of $100 every single day doing trading, and interested in someone showing you how to do it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like if you think it's been proven to be helpful to you. And it just motivates me to produce more content like this for you guys, because otherwise I'm more than happy to just sit quietly and trade without doing a live recording. Because, all right, guys, I'm going to put in my next trade. Sorry, I had to jump in like that because, like I said, it's a live trade, so I do have to take an opportunity when it happens. Now, I've put in $87.50 on my second trade, guys, all right? And I've selected higher this time around. Now, all I need for this to happen is for the trade to end up being above the green line in the next 10 seconds or so for me to be able to be profitable. At the moment, it does kind of look kind of iffy. Let's see if things go my way, and true enough, they did. So guys, I just showed you how you can earn your very first $100, okay? So we made $37.50 from the first trade, and in the second trade, we made $65.63. So total profit for today, this afternoon, in just a couple of minutes, is $103.13. As promised, your first $100 in your account right now. Now, guys, again, like I said, if this video is helpful, just go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me. And don't forget that if you want to do the same thing as I am, click on that sign up link for the free IQ option trading platform, which is the platform that you are seeing right now to take action. Now, guys, let's rewind a little bit and try to investigate the second trade that I jumped into there. All right. So, like I said, I use very basic technical indicators to help me decide on a trade to take. Now, in this case, you saw that it was fairly flat here. Okay, so this is the price movement. I said this is the Bollinger Bands, MACD, RSI. Now, the MACD and RSI just provides an additional indicator of a developing trend that may be going on. Okay. Now, when it was fairly flat, you can see that it's very flat here. It's this very narrow band of movement here. But the moment this happened, this is the kind of opportunity you want to be looking at, because you can see a significant drop. Now, the red line on top means it's a drop, guys, here. And here, if it's below this red line, it means it's significantly oversold, and you can expect a correction to happen. That is how you use these indicators together, all right? So looking at all this, I knew that at this point, when this drop happened in that few seconds, it's going to correct very, very soon. Why, you ask me? Because this is a significant drop in terms of scale. All right, guys, again, I use just a 2-minute window to be seeing this. When this happened, like I said, I knew it was going to correct. So then it just depends on the timing. All right, so in binary options trading, identifying the trend is important. Number 2 is the timing of the trade. I trade very close to the purchase deadline, which is the white dotted line here. Typically less than 5 seconds, because it just allows me to identify trends as they happen and not make a decision beforehand. So you'll never see me make a decision somewhere here, for instance, minutes or like a minute or whatever before the purchase deadline, because if I made a decision here, that I wouldn't have access to all of this chart movement and stuff before coming to the purchase deadline. But why would you do that? You're basically trading blind, So I always trade as close as possible to the purchase deadline to allow me to see developing trends until the very last minute. So I typically trade between 3 to 5 seconds, to the purchase deadline. That allows me to process all of the stuff that I have available to me before I jump into a trade. Again, guys, take your time when you trade. Don't just jump into every single trade. Trade when you're comfortable. Again, like I said, the only way you're going to be doing this if you do have an account. So again, there's a link sign up below. Go ahead and do that, and you have access to this. Now, coming back to it, I trade very close to the purchase deadline, 3 to 5 seconds typically. And in this case, the significant drop showed me that it is oversold, and it's going to correct. All right, in fact, before I jumped here, you can already see that green shoot appearing here, which shows me that it's going to flatten out and correct very shortly. And true enough, it did. All right, see, it went up as high as somewhere here before it, I don't know what it is now, but basically it shows you that a correction is imminent. A correction in this sense, after a downtrend, is an uptrend, right? Like, it's complete logic, normal common sense tells you that. So that's what I did. So I selected higher. I put in everything, I made the profit from the first trade, $87.50. I selected higher. And true enough, it did end up being a little bit higher. Obviously it's going to go up and down a little bit. But the general, uptrend was there, and I pocketed, $65.60 or a 73% ROI. Again, guys, 73% return of investment of whatever money I put in. Again, guys, the minimum deposit on this trading platform is just $10, all right, 10 US dollars, and you have access to doing any sort of trade on the platform, which is crazy, guys. It's perfect for you guys, especially if you're new, to try it out. And literally, like I said, earn your very first $100 by trading online today, if you're an action taker, like I said. Okay, so I hope that has proven to be helpful. Again, like I said, I was trying to show you that earning your first $100 is really not as impossible, as it seems. And if trading is what you guys want to do, and I do recommend, it's completely suitable for beginners. Most people overcomplicate it, but it's really not. Obviously, you do have to build up some experience and stuff to be able to trade profitably consistently like I do. And again, guys, I've been doing this for the past 6 years. So, of course, when I first started 6 years ago, I literally had $500 to my name, and I put it into trading. And you know what happened? I literally lost all of it. Now, I swore off trading a couple of months after that. Like, I completely forgot about trading. But one day I realized that the only way I was going to earn back that $500, which I, earned and saved with blood, sweat, and tears, is by trading with a vengeance, so to speak. Okay, so I literally took it up upon myself to master the art of trading. I've attended courses, spoken to professional traders, all of that stuff. Spent thousands learning. And now I can say that I'm quite comfortable to be able to make trades that are profitable, and more importantly, be able to do so consistently, because that is honestly the mark of a successful trader. Now, guys, all of this starts with an action taker. All right, so if you guys want to do exactly what I am doing, click on that sign up account for to open your very first trading account with IQ option, which is what I'm using here. And you'd be able to do the same as well. Now, guys, don't forget again to subscribe to the channel, so I can produce more videos just like this. I know that it's helpful to you, and I would love to do more like it if this is what you want. All right, so it's entirely dependent on you. If you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. I'm also going to leave a video to our 5 days challenge recently, which we just finished. So in this 5 days challenge, what I was able to do is I started trading on Monday, aiming to make $100, and I ended up on Friday, after 5 days rather, with a $500. So I was able to incrementally make $100 every single day. So $100 on Monday, $200 on Tuesday, and so on, to end up making $500 a day in profit again, guys. Yeah, by day 5, which is Friday. So check that video out if that's interesting to you. So again, guys, take care, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Cheers now. Bye.